In this video, we would like to demonstrate how you can download and install the Fortnite game on the Android 13. So first of all, unfortunately, as we all know, you cannot get the Fortnite directly from the Google Play Store. Therefore, just open any search engine that you like. Next, type in Fortnite APK, just like so. Among the search results, you want to head straight for the official Epic Games website. Now at this page, go for the download the app from Epic Games option or link. And, well, therefore download the installation file, open it. Prior to getting the Epic Games Launcher installed, it is required that we allow Google Chrome or, well, any other browser or search engine that you've used to install unknown apps, which you can do by simply turning this toggle on. And now we can confirm the installation. After that, let's launch the Epic Games. In here, tap on this black button, or should I say get button located in front of a Fortnite, and then start the installation process. Or should I more precisely say that right now the game is being downloaded, and as you can see, when it gets downloaded, it is required that we allow the Epic Games Launcher to install apps or unknown apps in particular, as we did for the Google Chrome. So let's do just that and finalize the installation process. Alrighty, now we can launch the Fortnite game itself, and in here all that it's left to do is to wait until the game itself will download all the necessary updates and resources, and then you will be actually able to start directly playing it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.